This is the most feral kitten I have ever rescued. And yes, he bit me. Hard. There was blood, there was hissing, there were claws everywhere. And honestly, I couldn't even be mad. Because the truth is, this kitten had never trusted a human in his entire life. His name was Church. We found Church underneath a trash bin behind a small church building. Tiny, fluffy, completely alone. And the moment we got close, he exploded. Hissing, spitting, swiping at everything that moved. Not playful, not defensive.
Okay. Oh my.
Pure fear.
Ow.
It was obvious right away. This kitten had never been handled by a human before.
I brought you some food.
But the real problem was something else. Food. Church refused everything. 6 days passed, and he still wouldn't eat properly. For a kitten this small, 6 days is dangerous. At that point, we weren't just asking, how do we tame him? We were asking something worse. Can he even survive this? So we started trying everything, very slowly, very carefully. Because Church had what we call murder mittens. Tiny paws, very sharp claws.
Oh my.
And absolutely zero hesitation. The first strategy, the blanket burrito. We wrapped him in a blanket. He still hissed, still growled, still tried to bite through the blanket. But at least now, we could get close enough to help him. Next problem, food. Church refused bowls, so we got creative. We used a tiny measuring cup and slowly brought food toward his mouth, like trying to give medicine to a stubborn toddler. Sometimes he ate, sometimes he spat it out, sometimes he tried to attack the cup. But day by day, something small started changing.
Murder mittens are out.
Church honestly became one of the funniest rescues we've had. Imagine this, a kitten the size of a potato with the attitude of a tiger. He would puff up, hiss, swipe the air, like he was defending his entire kingdom. But his paws? Barely bigger than a coin. Tiny, but very mighty.
Oh, I'm sorry. Oh, I won't breathe now.
Then one day, we tried something different. A kangaroo hoodie. We placed Church inside the pocket. At first, he froze, completely still. He didn't hiss, he didn't bite, he just sat there. Inside that pocket, he could hear a heartbeat. He could feel warmth. He could feel breathing. Things kittens normally feel with their mother. And then, we heard something new. Not a hiss, not a growl, a meow. A tiny one, but unmistakable. That was the moment everything changed. After that day, Church slowly started changing. He explored the bed, he chased toys, he attacked blankets, and eventually, something we never expected.
That from my finger?
He allowed pets. Short ones, quick ones, but still. No panic, no biting.
You gonna subscribe?
And the kitten that once attacked everyone was now rolling around playing. There's something powerful about that moment, because trust, especially with animals, is never forced. It's earned, slowly, patiently, one tiny step at a time. And when a creature that has only known fear finally chooses to trust you, that moment means more than words can explain. Because gaining the trust of a heart that has never trusted anyone
I missed you.
is one of the most beautiful things in the world.
You're so cute.